So, you know the dentist appointment thing?
Yeah.
Well, we have to go somewhere before that.
Okay.
Um,
Oh no.
you do? What do you think?
Disney?
Yep.
Oh my god. Okay. That's what you and Dad are talking about.
When?
Oh my god.
What? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Look! Come here, look, Cody. Look! Come here. Hold the blanket.
You just so happy you're crying, Brett?
Yeah.
Where's Dad?
We're going to the airport right now.
Serious?
Yeah? Isn't that awesome? Are you happy?
Yes.
Alright, Brett.
Fine.
How did you
How long are we going for?
We're coming back Monday. Surprise! Is it a good surprise?
Yes. Wow.
Alright. So, we're going to the airport now.
Where's Dad? You're crying.
Okay, let's go. Get in. We'll go to the airport.